There are several strategies you can implement to make money in real estate, but really at the end of the day, the two most popular methods are flipping houses and renting houses. I'm gonna break it down for you. Flipping or renting real estate, which is better? Watch this video and you decide. Hi, it's Jerry Norton. When it comes to making money in real estate, there are no right or wrong strategies for getting rich and building wealth. However, I believe there is a right and wrong strategy for each person individually. And choosing the right strategy for you is critical to your success when investing in real estate. All too often, people get into real estate, invest a lot of time, energy, and effort, not to mention money, just to find out they're following the wrong strategy for them. Then end up starting all over again pursuing a different strategy. That was certainly the case for me, which I'll share later in this video. I'd like to help you decide if flipping or renting is the best strategy for you. Now, if you know anything about me, you'll know that I'm a flipper, so I'll do my best to be objective and not talk too poorly about those delusional buy and hold investors. I'm just kidding. I promise to play nice, maybe. To make more money in less time in real estate so that you can live your dream life, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. So renting or flipping, that is the question. Now, I'm not gonna go into all of the pros and cons of renting versus flipping. Instead, I wanna focus on one determining factor that you should consider. This one decision will automatically decide for you which is the best strategy for you. Are you ready? Okay, here it is. Do you want money now or later? Now, if you answered yes, you want money now, then flipping is the right strategy for you. Discussion over, case closed, stop watching this video and go flip some houses. If you answered no, I can wait and I can be patient and I don't need or want money right now, then the next question is, do you have the stomach to deal with toilets, tenants, and turnover? Are you willing to evict someone and throw them out on the street when they don't pay their rent? Do you have what it takes to not feel sorry for someone's sob story when their chihuahua swallowed too many marshmallows and the tenant had no choice but to spend your rent money on vet bills? Are you prepared to weather through the times when a property goes vacant and you have to spend $15,000 doing carpet and paint and fixing it up again, spending essentially 5 years of cash flow just so that it's ready to rent again? If you answered yes, then renting is for you. And if you answered hell no, then flipping is for you. Now, before the comment Nazis chime in and say, wait a minute, Jerry, that's why you have a property manager. Okay, then are you prepared for the property manager to bleed your rental property of any and all cash flow each and every month? Let me ask you a question. When the property manager sends a contractor to your rental to fix the toilet because the tenant flushed too many tampons and Legos and clogged it, are you okay with the plumber charging the property manager $30 an hour for the work and then the property manager charging you $60 an hour? Are you okay that the more issues your property has, the more money the property manager makes? If you're okay with that model, then rentals are a great strategy for you. Okay, so I'm not being objective at all. Listen, flipping houses has its problems too, but the reality is most people are not cut out for rentals and have no business owning them. When I first got into real estate, I bought into the passive income rental model. I acquired over 20 single-family rentals, and I hated every minute of it. Finally, after getting a call from a property manager at midnight that the tenant caught the kitchen on fire from misusing the toaster, how hard is it to cook toast? I decided to get out of every last one of my rentals. Furthermore, I got into real estate for the money and I hadn't seen a dime yet on rentals. On the other hand, the wholesaler who brought me all of those great rental properties made over $100,000 cash. That's when I decided that flipping houses was the right strategy for me. I started wholesaling 4 to 5 deals a month, earning on average $5,000 per deal. I made more money each month flipping than I probably would have made in 10 years renting. Now, disclaimer here, I was probably doing it wrong. They were low-income properties, and I have been a full-time flipper now for 15 years and having flipped hundreds of properties all across the country, so I'm clearly coming from a biased point of view. So let's do this. I want you to talk to someone who owns 3 to 5 single-family rental properties and ask them how it's going and if they're enjoying it. I'm willing to bet my tenant's chihuahua that 9 out of 10 will go on a 30-minute rant about tenants, toilets, and turnover and how much it sucks. Trust me, I know, because that's exactly the case with the majority of my coaching clients who are tired of rentals and are ready to actually see some real money. There's a reason one of the best motivated seller lead types is burned out landlords. That's where I've gotten some of my best deals. So if I just saved you a lot of wasted time, energy, and effort pursuing the wrong strategy, leave a comment and say, Jerry, you changed the course of my life. I'm forever indebted to you. If you disagree and you want to let me know that too, well, leave a comment. Since it is my channel, I can delete all of the bad comments and favorite all of the good ones. In all fairness to the aspiring landlords, if rentals are right for you, then go in with your eyes wide open. Know that it's a long-term play. Set aside any positive cash flow for the unforeseens that inevitably will happen. What do you mean I need a new roof? Oh, you told me about it when I bought that property, but I didn't want to spend the money on it at the time. And now it's leaking all over the wood floors, and the floors are all buckled, and the tenant forgot to tell you about it till just now. Great. Now, I will say that flipping houses is not passive, which means to keep making money, you have to keep flipping houses, which is a downside to flipping. That is why I believe in creating a process to find and flip deals. And to help you do that in a way that is as close to passive as possible, I developed a house flipping deal management software called Flipster. Not only does Flipster streamline and automate and organize all of the steps to flipping houses, but it actually finds and funds deals for you. If you're serious about flipping houses, then you owe it to yourself to check it out. Click the link in the description and see if it's right for you. And if making money in real estate right now, not later, but right now is important to you so you can live your dream life, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. And finally, since you're still here, let's go big with this. Watch this next video where I show you how to make $1 million a year just flipping 3 deals a month. Try doing that with rentals. All right, watch that video right now. If this video resonated with you, then like it, share it, please leave a comment, and get out there and hustle, my friends.